Subscribe to Pamex channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notification on new uploads. Like and share the video. Thank you.
Today we are with Mr. Manish Desai, who heads Mumbai Labels, the Mumbai-based label specialist. He has also been the past president of LMAI, that's Label Manufacturers Association of India. We have invited him to Pamex channel today to share his vast experience and give opinions on challenges COVID brings for the industry. So we welcome you to the Pamex channel.
Thank you, Neha, and thanks for the invitation.
So, sir, could you comment on your company's recent experience of having to maintain continuity of label supply during this lockdown period and the types of challenges you have faced?
Yeah, definitely. It's first of all, I hope everybody has a safe with this pandemic. Regarding my company, for continuing supplying the materials to our customer, there are 2-3 things that is very important to understand to this industry, because currently we are having hardly 50 to 60% staff. We are working on 60% staff, and you have to achieve 100% production, which is next to impossible. So in this case, you have to select your customer base. So to whom you have to give your preferences and to whom you have to don't entertain in your company. So we have strongly classified our customer base in A, B, and C. So those who have customer from since very last, very huge customers, there we are catering, and there we are associate from the customer associate with us with day one. So they are our basic customer. They comes under A category. So and hence both A, B, C we have segregated our client list, and according to that we are supplying to our customer base. In that case, we have achieved in April we have very small amount of production, but in May we have achieved around 85% of our production with 60% of our staff, and May also we have around 90% of production with the same 60-65% of staff. And thanks to our the workforce, those who are working heavily and dedicatedly to the company, and we can achieve in a lesser staff with a higher productivity. Got the appreciation later from 2-3 big customers that in this pandemic also you have supplied us. So they have given the appreciation letters also.
Great. So good to know that they are in operation. So that's good to know.
Yeah.
So, sir, is there a perceptible move in the label industry towards more automation of manufacturing operations in order to reduce dependency on manpower?
Of course, yes, because now after there is clearly two bifurcation: pre-pandemic and post-pandemic. So everybody in world over there is always a automation in a higher scale. India being a labor-oriented country and more populated country, we have a more labor available in the industry. So we are not used to automation of the products or the process. So after this pandemic, I'm 100% sure that people will switch over to automation. Like everybody was planning for the industry 4.0. So in that case, India will come forcibly for 4.0 after this pandemic, because the labor is very expensive now. Labor is very expensive. It's very difficult to work according to their demand. That we will come, we will not come, we will come according to this. The demands of the laborers are going higher and higher, and you cannot say in this pandemic, please wait, don't go, why you are going. So no questions to be asked to the labor. So after this pandemic, automation is a key. You will find it in next 2-3 years down the line, that every label industry will go for the automation. And as you know, in label industry, production is fully automation. Only the part is packing. So we are already on the automation, because you don't have to touch the machine. Machine is running. So only the checking is automation. Only the packing part, which is not, and packing and delivery part is, which is not automation, that we have to do. So hardly 30% of process which is not automation, that we have to go to do the automation. And of course, Mudrika is already started for that. So in next couple of 2-3 years, we will fully our process will be fully automation.
Yeah, so anyway, we were moving towards automation, but now we will speed up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, what has been the experience of demand continuity and PO from existing customers?
Basically, if you're talking about Mudrika, we were working about multiple industries to supply our labels and other material. So what we have found, 2-3 industry is not doing good still. There's a household industry is not doing good. The garment industry is not doing good. But rest of the industry is doing good, and demands are also good. And everybody is working from home, so POs and everything we are getting on time. We are also giving POs to our supplier on time. So POs and everything is you can do it from work from home or anywhere. So POs and everything is not a problem. Orders, in some categories we have find that there is an increment in the orders also, because last 2-3 months there is a completely wiped out from March to April, May. So complete stock out situation in the, if you say in the any shops or something, shops and malls. So particular industries like FMCG products, which is the demand is increasing. Same time, new product is also launched, and there is a demand for new product like hand sanitizer, which we are talking. But now there is a completely standstill of demand for hand sanitizer. There are many products which are due to COVID. It is in demand, and some products which is normal in demand because of the stock out situation. Now the thing is, area wise, like there is a lockdown in Bombay, but there is not a lockdown in say Gujarat or UP or Bihar. So demand for Bihar is increasing and demand for Bombay is coming down. So the Bihar local manufacturer, those who are making the same product, they can have a better advantages of selling their product. Because the pandemic is not equally distributed all over the India, so that is also there are a chance for smaller players or a regional product producer to market the product in a better way. Mm-hmm. So that also we are having a benefit of extra orders coming from that particular segment.
Have the local authorities been helpful in keeping your unit open?
Yes, in our Vasai, where is my factory, is Vasai Palghar. So there we have not found any kind of problem, because we have started our factory after in 2nd April or 3rd April. We have already got the permission to work, but we have started 1 week later because we need to check whether everything is okay. Then we have started. So, and the procedure was so simple that we have to just apply online and just take the permission from the local authorities, and they have to just check. They come to our factory and check whether they have the same people working with what the names they have mentioned in the approval what they have given to us. and they have checked every week. They come to us and they check whether they are the same facility and the same people are there or not. So for us, it is not very difficult to take approval from the government or everybody. But after getting approval from government, after 1 month, they have become very strict. So I heard that after that, nobody's got the approval for at least 1 month to open the factory. So I'm not into that because for me it was easy procedure. But after that, everybody says no, it was very problem. Now we are not getting any permission to start the factory, to have a approval from the government. For me, it's okay.
Yes, for you it was smooth. Yeah, we spoke to some companies who had faced difficulties, especially when laborers were not allowed to enter the premises of factories. So the next is that the fittest will survive. That's what people are talking about. So what are your plans for the rest of year 2020?
Okay. In pandemic, when it was very strict, we have 100 people working and staying in our factory itself. Yeah, all the facilities are there in our factory. But in every time it's not possible to stay the people in our factory. It's a risk factor also. It's a security factor also. So after some time, what we have done, so whatever we have our own facility to transport people from their place to our factory. So we have all the system in place where we sanitize our buses. We sanitize whenever they come to factory. We have a facility of sanitization of people, sanitizer, and the temperature and the oximeter. We have recorded that who has come to our factory, people, workers, maintain their temperature and the oxygen level. And in every day there are 4 times they have to sanitize their hands. So we are keeping fingers crossed, nothing will happen. So let's see.
Yeah. Yes, so the new normal will demand all those precautionary measures that the factories
have. We have taken all the precautionary measures to keep our staff and our people at the safely.
So, sir, in your opinion, how important are real-time exhibitions in keeping the excitement live in the industry?
I don't believe in virtual exhibitions at all. Because you can see the product and you can feel the product. You can discuss with the supplier. You can have one-to-one discussion with the supplier. You can understand the technology, what he wants to say, what is the capability of that person to whom you are talking. So this is not possible in virtual. So when you talk to them, then there is a different level of understanding between supplier and customer. So I think trade exhibitions are must. So you cannot say that you don't want now onwards, you don't want after pandemic, you don't want any trade exhibitions. I don't think so. It will work also.
So, sir, you have this beautiful background of showing the state of Mumbai. So, any last closing remark for people who are watching this interview?
To all our industry people and everybody this is a part of life. You have to live with it. So there is no you can do it yourself. So take care yourself. That you have to take your own precaution. And you have to work according to the rules, government rules, or whatever is laid down by the government and everything. Final word to all our industry.
Okay, thank you, sir. It has been wonderful talking to you.
Same.
Good interview.